check out his tail. I've never seen one that fluffy.
Yeah.
He looks so happy up there on that branch. They are amazing animals.
Yeah.
Look at the monkey go. He's so energetic.
He really is. Did you see the giraffe over there?
Oh, yeah, they are magnificent creatures.
Hi friends. Welcome to English with MN. Today, we go to the zoo with my friend. The zoo has many animals. I am very excited. We will see, talk, and learn about animals. Come with us. Let's start. We are at the zoo. The entrance is big and colorful. There are many people. Families and children are here. This is my friend Tom. Say hi. Friend waves. We buy tickets. The zoo staff is friendly. Now we go inside. The zoo has trees, flowers, and statues. It looks like a small forest. First, we see birds. The birds are very colorful. Red, blue, yellow, so many colors. I like the peacock. Its tail is big and beautiful. Camera shows peacock. The peacock opens its tail. It dances slowly. Next, we see monkeys. Monkeys jump from tree to tree. Some eat bananas. Some play together. My friend laughs. Monkeys are funny. I laugh too. Now, we see lions. Lions are big and strong. Their manes are thick. Lions are called king of the jungle. Next, we see tigers. Tigers are beautiful. Their fur is orange with black stripes. One tiger walks slowly. Another tiger sleeps in the shade. I learned tigers can swim. Amazing. Next, we see elephants. Elephants are very big. Their trunks are long. They use trunks to eat, drink water, and play. We see a baby elephant. It is cute. It follows its mother. Now, we see giraffes. Giraffes are very tall. Their necks are long. They eat leaves from tall trees. Each giraffe has different spots. One giraffe comes close to us. It is a little shy. The zoo has a feeding area. We can feed goats, deer, and rabbits. We buy food for the animals. My friend feeds a small goat. The goat eats very fast. It tries to eat from my friend's hand. We also see rabbits. They are soft. We touch them carefully. Feeding animals is fun and happy. Next, we see water animals. The aquarium has many fish. Some are small. Some are big. Then, we see penguins. Penguins walk slowly. They wiggle. One penguin slides on ice. Penguins cannot fly, but they swim very fast. We watch and laugh. Now, we see snakes. Some snakes are big. Some snakes are small. They are calm in cages. Next, we see turtles. Turtles are slow. Some are in water. Some are on land. I touch a turtle's shell. It is hard. My friend says, turtles live a long time. The zoo has a small train. We ride the train. It goes around the zoo. We see animals from far. It is fun. Next, we go to the playground. There are slides and swings. We play a little. It is happy time. After walking, we are hungry. We eat snacks. We sit on a bench. My friend says, ice cream is tasty. I agree. We talk about animals. I like lions and monkeys. My friend likes elephants and penguins. Before leaving, we visit the gift shop. There are toys, keychains, and t-shirts. I buy a lion toy. My friend buys a giraffe keychain. Today is a fun day at the zoo. We see many animals. We laugh and learn. Visiting the zoo with a friend is special. You see animals, have fun, and enjoy nature. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell. See you next time. Bye.